A proposed California law, Senate Bill 771, targets social media companies, which could face legal action and large fines if their algorithms spread content that violates California civil rights laws, specifically things like hate speech. SB 771 has already passed the California Senate, and it's now being reviewed in the California State Assembly. The bill's author, California State Senator Henry Stern, says the bill would hold social media companies accountable for content spread through algorithms.
Is to simply say that just because it's an algorithm doesn't mean that it's not some kind of expression from that platform. And so when your algorithm facilitates the distribution, say, of criminal content or makes crimes worse or adds to abuses or things that result, say, in hate crimes, that they'll be held to the same standards as an average citizen would if they were facilitating the same kind of crime.
If SB 771 becomes law, a social media platform allowing hate speech content to spread could face a $500,000 civil penalty. Or if it knowingly violates the law, it could be fined up to $1 million. The reason for the bill, according to lawmakers, is that hate crimes are increasing and online platforms are helping spread hate and disinformation, especially against LGBTQ+ people, Jewish people, immigrants, and other marginalized groups. Some argue if SB 771 becomes law, it could conflict with First Amendment protections. The Computer and Communications Industry Association, which represents communications and tech firms, is against the proposed bill, arguing it raises serious constitutional concerns by infringing on the editorial discretion of platforms, First Amendment rights that have long been protected for publishers, broadcasters, and digital services alike. The CCIA also says the bill clashes with Section 230, which is part of the Communications Decency Act passed back in 1996 as an update to the Communications Act of 1934. Section 230 basically protects online platforms from being sued over what their users post. Senator Stern says the purpose of the act is not to regulate speech. According to the bill, it's to clarify that social media platforms, like all other businesses, may not knowingly use their systems to promote, facilitate, or contribute to conduct that violates state civil rights laws. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Keenan. For more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit SAN.com.